Hey guys, what's going on? This is Nary the Tater, and today I have gotten another package in the mail. So I'm gonna get to it. I got this Deadpool keychain. Looks pretty cool. See, Deadpool keychain. Looks pretty cool. I'm gonna open it up. See, look. It's pretty rubbery. But I like the design. Looks pretty cool. I like that. Also, I'm gonna be trying to see if I can do some video games and stuff. So I hope y'all enjoyed this video. I know it was a short video. I had nothing else planned today and stuff, so I'm just gonna get on out of here, and I have nothing else to do. So thank you guys for watching, and leave a like in this video below. Share this with your friends. Subscribe if you're new to my channel. And thanks for watching. Have a nice day.